How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and quickly bringing you guys the top 5 things you must know about NordVPN before you make the purchase. Now, here's the thing. If you're looking for a great, well-rounded VPN, then NordVPN is definitely the one you want to get. The first thing you want to know is that it's got a whole bunch of bonus features. This is what NordVPN is all about. Besides impeccable performance and security, you also get a lot of cool extra features, from specialty servers to dark web monitors, so that you can keep your data in check in case it's exposed, and it will let you know. You've got MeshNet, which is very useful for remote access over encrypted connections, and threat protection will act as an ad blocker and many antivirus. A lot of specialty servers, the powerful NordLynx protocol, making NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the business, custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS, the kill switch as well as an app kill switch, and split tunneling. As you can tell, NordVPN is packed with features, and they're not just empty features, they can all be used very effectively in a number of ways. Okay, now the second thing you want to know about NordVPN is that you're able to unblock a whole bunch of streaming services. As you can tell, I'm not in the States, but because I'm connected to the New York server right here, I am able to access the US library with Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, and whatever other streaming service I'm looking to unblock. Not specifically just American streaming services, but you can connect to the UK server and get access to BBC iPlayer or whatever it is that you're looking to unblock. So that's a very cool thing about NordVPN. The third thing you want to know is you are able to torrent to your heart's content without any bandwidth limitations or throttling. You also do have peer-to-peer specialty servers, but you don't really have to use them. You can just use any server because all the servers are optimized for whatever it is that you're trying to do. The fourth thing you want to know about NordVPN is that it is constantly being updated. So all these features that you see here were not there just a few months ago, and they were added with each update. And NordVPN are constantly just on the move to keep updating and improving the service as time passes by. So when you purchase NordVPN, the value of the VPN keeps going up as time passes. So this is a really cool thing about NordVPN. And the final thing you want to know about NordVPN is the fact that it's independently audited. And what that means is that a third-party security company examined NordVPN server infrastructure and the privacy policy, and made sure that the privacy policy and no-logs policy rather are being upheld as NordVPN claim. And of course, all of these independent audit reports resulted in great standing, verifying the security of the server infrastructure of NordVPN, and of course the fact that they do uphold the no-logs policy to protect the integrity of the user's anonymity and data logs. So that is pretty much it. But if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of NordVPN, you'll find the full review down below. And of course, you'll find links to pricing discounts if you want to jump straight to that. And NordVPN is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So in case you're not satisfied with NordVPN for whatever reason, you can simply get yourself the refund. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.